What's going on? No. No. Imagine, if you will, this wasn't just a short-term temporary blackout. This was the new normal. No power, no water, no stores for months or even longer. If you're scared now, imagine how scared you're going to be if you're not prepared. Is it like this? Wait a minute. Dried beans. Wait, how do I cook these again? Do I eat these raw? No, I just, what? Can't be right. First things first, let me just get this baby plugged in. Yes, my precious. You know what? I'm thinking some black beans and some powdered eggs. Oh, with oats on the side. Great. Let's do it. Let's get it on. Ooh, yeah. Oh God, it's so hot. I'm dying. It's getting a little warm, so let's bring out the solar power fan here. That's good. That is good stuff right there. I'm so thirsty. I don't know how to get water or where to get water. I don't have any extra water. The water's out. Salmon in water. I guess it'll do.
I'm thirsty.
Oh, here you go. Here's a bottle of water for you. Gotta get some rainwater for washing dishes. I need to clean pots and pans, but it's so handy to have paper plates and plastic utensils, so at least I don't have to wash that, at least for short term, and then, use rainwater to keep washing dishes for other stuff. It's starting to get dark. All I have is my phone light. I'm afraid of the dark. I'm so scared. Time to break out some lights. Let's see. Got a lantern here. It's a first start. Okay. Set that right there. You know what? I'm going to get out this candle lantern and light that baby up. Oh, kids are going to love some glow sticks. I think my neighbors might have some canned food. I saw them bringing them canned food one time from the grocery store. And you know what? But they don't even eat it. I could just go, This is Texas, though. Maybe not a great idea to go storming someone else's home. I'm gonna do it anyway. Welcome to my Offgrid Crib. Oh yeah, we got our canned food. We got a bunch of freeze-dried food too. Oh yeah, you never know when you're gonna need the canned food or the freeze-dried food. Oh yeah. Oh, we got our dry goods here too. Oh yeah. Look at what we got here. We got some solar-powered items, solar-powered fan, a solar-powered battery bank to power everything I need. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can't have off-grid living without some extra bottled water. We got our rain collection system. We got our hot water heater. We have ways to haul water and purify. Oh yeah, we are stocked up. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Toilet paper? Yeah, we got it. You gotta go to the bathroom. No, we don't flush the toilet around here. We got our bucket toilet. Oh yeah. Bucket toilet, bucket toilet, bucket toilet. What you need? You need chocolate? Yeah, we got your chocolate. We got anything you need. Yeah. Hey everyone, Morgan here. My goal for this channel is to get you as prepared to live an off-grid life for as long as possible. How long could you survive completely off-grid? That means no running water. That means not being able to flush the toilets. That means not being able to grocery store. That means not having electricity, air conditioning, heat, anything that you might use as a convenience item, as an everyday thing. Could you live without it? Pick one thing this week to practice. One day without water. One day without going to your bathroom. What would you do, right? One day cooking from just your preps. one day cooking off-grid with one of your off-grid methods. I want you to just take one day and try these things. The goal is not to say, oh my gosh, I'm totally prepared. The goal is to say, wow, where are the holes in my preps and how can I be better prepared? If you can live off-grid without your everyday conveniences, then you are solid, okay, to handle any emergency or disaster. Really think about your everyday needs, brushing your teeth, taking showers, all these things, and then put it together. And also don't forget about entertainment and anything else you might need. Here's a quick recap. If you want to survive long term, you're going to need food that you can store, grow, forage, okay? Water that you can collect, store, and purify. A home that functions without the grid, and the skills to bring it all together. This doesn't happen overnight. This is a step-by-step process. Get excited because every day you have an opportunity to learn just a little bit more. And that's where I want you to like, subscribe, comment, tell me where you're at. Tell me what skills you're learning. Tell me how prepared you would be to live completely off-grid. Let me know down in the comments, and I hope you are downloading the 30 Days to Ready. And again, be sure to subscribe for more off-grid and self-sufficiency living and to be prepared for whatever may come your way. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.